Hey guys, this is Jeremy from Nelson Precision. We're out here today testing our new Christensen Arms Ranger 22 rifle. And we're going to be testing out the new Ruger silencer shop SSH 2245. We just picked this guy up, so we're excited to test this. This is the ammo we're going to be running. We got 5 boxes of the CCI Quiet, the Quiet 22 LR. This is 710 feet per second. This stuff is 835 feet per second. And then we're going to do this Aguila 22 Sniper. That stuff's 950 feet per second. And then as the test, or whatever you call it, is like this for the standard velocity ammo. We're going to be running this Blazer 22, just your standard stuff. I got 9 rounds loaded up here. We'll go ahead and load it up in the Christensen, and we'll show, kind of get an idea of how it's cool with this rifle is it takes the Ruger box mags. That's it, guys. So I'll go and load up the CCI Quiet, and we'll throw our can on here, and we'll give you guys an idea of how quiet it is. This thing's it's freaking quiet, guys. I already shot a couple rounds just to see. It's the trigger. It's all you hear is a trigger. So let's check it out. Okay, guys. So now we got our little spoon can on here. We got 10 rounds of the CCI Quiet, 710 feet per second. So just to show you guys, if you want to get in a little bit closer, Dad, there's no magazine in here. I just want to show you guys the sound of the trigger here. So keep that in mind. Whoops. This is 10 rounds of the Quiet. That's it, guys. Those 10 rounds. This thing's freaking quiet. It's awesome. I love it. We'll load up and do some more shooting. All right, guys. Now we're shooting the new Ruger Mark IV SSH Ruger and silencer shop. Got together to make this thing. It's pretty sweet. It's got a 3-inch barrel. Comes with 3 10-round mags. We're going to be using this stuff, the CCI Quiet semi-auto. It's 835 feet per second. I put the first mag through it a second ago, ran great. So let's just put 10 through, or 3 mags, and see how it goes. I don't have sights on here yet. I'm waiting for them to come in, so I'm just kind of winging the target. All right. Next mag, same stuff. I'll shoot a couple. I'll shoot a couple out into the hill just so you can hear. I'll do a couple into the wood target down here, and a couple out into the air. This is out into open space. I'm shooting that wood target on the right. This thing's awesome, guys. I love this new little pistol. And with our cano in there, the little spoon, it really is, it's a sweet little rig. When I get an optic on here, it'll be even sweeter. And we'll reload and do some more shooting. All right, so next we're gonna be doing, I got 5 rounds of this, the Winchester Super Suppressed in here. Will be first. And then 5 rounds of the CCI Quiet 710. I think the, forgot what the Winchester Super Suppressed is. I think it's, I won't say because I'm not certain. I don't remember. So this is out of the Christensen Ranger 22. So these first ones are going to be the Winchesters. Last Winchester. Now these are the CCI Quiets. That's it. The CCI Quiets they're quiet. This thing's awesome. Love this rifle. There are 10 rounds of the CCI Quiet through the Christensen Arms Ranger rifle. I'm gonna shoot this one out into the dirt. That's it. All right, guys. We're doing testing our suppressor on a Walter PPQ. I got 10 rounds in each mag loaded up of the CCI Quiet. All right, that was empty. Next mag. Bugs out here driving me freaking insane. I'm gonna shoot this one out into the dirt so you can kind of hear. I'll do a couple on the target and then a couple out in the dirt. This is the dirt. All right, worked out pretty good. Running nice. All right, guys, another 3 mags through the Ruger Mark IV 2245 SSH. Another 3 mags of the CCI Quiet stuff. So this gun is brand new also. It's not been lubed yet or anything. Just took it out of the box. Ugh, the mag release is a little hard. All right, last mag. I'll put a couple out in the dirt again so you can hear how it sounds. All right, that was another 3 mags through. All right, go. All right, now through the Mark 422 45. Some of this Aguila Sniper Subsonic 60 grain stuff. I've never shot that through here, so we'll see if it likes it or not. A little louder, a little more spicy. Rabbit running by, don't want to shoot it. Not bad. Definitely louder. All right, so another 30 rounds of the CCI Quiet Semi-Auto 22 LR ammo through the Ruger Mark IV SSH. Last mag. Again, out in the hill. There you go. Heck yeah. Hey guys, it's Jeremy from Nelson Precision. We're gonna finish up the video. We're gonna do our 10 rounds. The last 10 rounds of the CCI Quiet Semi-Auto 22 long rifle through the Christensen rifle with our little spoon suppressor. There we go. Didn't pick that one up. Shoot this one out into the dirt so you guys can hear it. This thing is insanely quiet, guys. So that's it. Again, guys, Jeremy from Nelson Precision, showing off our 22 long rifle, our little spoon silencer. They're available in a half 28 thread. If you guys like what you see, please share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like the video, and help get the word out, guys. I'd appreciate it. We're loving these things. This rifle is great, and our can is, it's amazing so far.